Wagwan this and that family, welcome back to the channel. So guys, I am doing a series called Cheating Jamaica. This is part 1. Alright, so in this series, I'm showing how to navigate yard as a true yardie. Alright, so I'm done teaching you how to introduce yourself and how to ask directions. So today, we're going to talk about how to navigate food. A food time, because you can't come to Jamaica and not yam good food. See? So today, I'm going to show you how to order food in a Jamaican Patoi. Whether you're a cook shop, street vendor, or even a fancy restaurant. Stay tuned and make sure so you like and subscribe. Share out the video them. Alright, and hit the notification bell. Because guess what? Me I drop pure knowledge for you. Alright, so the first thing me I go tell you about now is ordering at a food vendor. The first up, you're there on the road and you smell some nice Jamaican jerk chicken. So you have to stop. But how you going to order? How are you going to order? It look like this. Boss, give me a quarter of jerk chicken with enough sauce, please. Now this is the vendor. You want bread with it or just chicken? You are the customer. Here you know. Yeah man, fling on a slice of bread panny. See it there? Simple. But make sure you remember the key words. Gimme means give me. With means with. And enough sauce means plenty of sauce. You can also say no sauce if you don't want no sauce. And if you want rice and peas, you can say, boss, give me a quarter jerk chicken with rice and peas and coleslaw. Now, this is when you are ordering at a cook shop. Morning, would I like a plate of curry goat with white rice? And the cook shop person might say, you want plantain pan it too? And if you want plantain on it, you say, yeah man, give me the ripe one. Or yeah man, give me the green one. In the cook shop, you might need to tell them how you like your food. Or you might hear things like, you want stew or fry? You want stew or fry? You want soup or just the food? Or you just want soup alone and no food? Big or small serving? You see how easy that be? May people drop a comment if you ever order food in our real Jamaican cook shop. Drop a comment. Now, we're going to talk about ordering at a restaurant. This is the customer now. Excuse me, would I like steamed fish with festival and a glass of pineapple juice? So the waiter might ask you, you want the fish brown stew or you want it escovitch style? Now you must answer based on what you want. Escovitch style please, and make sure so the fish them fresh. So in a restaurant, you might have to be more formal but still keep the vibes. Alright? And remember, you can't come Jamaica and not try the fresh seafood. When you done order, you can say thanks or give thanks. Or you can say, make sure it well seasoned. Or you can say, me good with that. If you don't want nothing else. Alright? People, me hope you learned something today. Next time you're in Jamaica, you're not gonna stammer when you order your food. Drop a comment and tell me what your favorite Jamaican dish. And remember, we have more fire content to come. So, like, share, and subscribe to the channel and big up yourself. See ya.